G'day everyone, thanks for joining me. In this video I travelled from the outback Queensland town of Windorah into Birdsville for a few days before heading south down the 500km long Birdsville Track to Marree, and then on to the fascinating historic town of Farina in outback South Australia. I'd heard a fair bit about the challenge of driving to the top of Birdsville's Big Red sand dune, so I decided to head out there to see what all the fuss was about. Big Red's about 35k west of Birdsville on the edge of the Simpson Desert. Now I've got no experience driving over sand dunes or driving in sand in general, and when I got to the base of Big Red there was no one around to ask either, but I thought I'd give it a crack anyway. So I dropped the tyre pressures down to 18 psi all round, and you can't see the top of the dune or a fair bit of the track to get to the top from the base of the dune, so I did a quick announcement on channel 10 and channel 40 on the UHF radio, put it in low range and hit the go pedal. The Mungerannie Hotel is about 300 kilometres south of Birdsville on the Birdsville Track, roughly about halfway between Birdsville and Marree, and it makes for a great overnight stop. It's got fuel, cold beer, great pub meals and a nice camping area. Now I have to say the staff here at the hotel were really great. They went out of their way to help me get a few repairs sorted out on the van, even though it was on a Sunday afternoon. Well, I stopped by this town called Farina on the way south from Marree to Hawker. It's about 20 kilometres north of Lyndhurst. It's a fascinating place, it really is. It's I really love it. I stopped here last night and had a look, went for a walk through a few of the old ruins here and decided to camp overnight. There's also a campground here which is really nice. It's a lovely little campground with some basic amenities. It's $20 for the night. Really nothing too much there, but it's really quiet and peaceful and plenty of space for everyone to spread out and stuff like that. So it's really, really nice. So this morning I've gone up to have a look through a few more of the buildings here, and it really is a fascinating place. If you're into old things and old derelict ruins and things like that, it's really good, but there's lots of other old memorabilia and that's been sort of collected over the time as well. So anyway, it's fascinating. I'd recommend stopping here and spending a bit of time here looking around if you're interested in it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel.